Hello, this is Trevor. Today we're working on a server-side template injection in Portswigger's Web Security Academy. It is injection with an unknown language with a documented exploit. So we need to figure out the template engine and then find a documented exploit online. Once we have that, we delete morale.txt from Carlos' home directory. Sweet. Let's take a look at the lab. Please remember to like and subscribe. Leave a comment. Let me know how I'm doing. I'd appreciate that. All right. So we don't have a login link. Let's take a look here. Ooh, so we see this. Looks like the same as what we had in one of the early ones. So we're going to work down our identification decision tree. We'll start with this $7 times 7. So 7 times 7. And what we're looking for is this to show 49 instead of, okay, so it said no. It didn't work, so we're dropping down to this one, 7 times 7 in double curly braces. 7 times 7. Ooh, we get an error. So here's the template engine, handlebars. And this is a JavaScript templating engine. But sweet. So now we've identified the location and the type. Is handlebars in our decision tree? No. It's Java. How do you do? I thought that should work in Java. What if I do this? Nope. What if I do like this? Nope. That's not right. I'm just testing out a few things. It'd be cool if I could add, hey, if I could add something, this is what I wanted to see, to the decision tree for whatever, this, for handlebars. So I'm going to add, boom, boom, this, and make it handlebars. I don't know if this will always be true, but it'll get me going. Okay. Next step is to figure out a documented vulnerability. So we'll open up Chrome and go to and search for it. So handlebars.js SSTI in handlebars. This looks like it'll work. POC, wow. Upgrade to 477 or later. What, let's see what version. Proxy, HTTP history. Does it tell us? No, because it's just doing it server side. Of course, that's why we don't see. So we don't know the version, but we can try this one from Sneak and print output. So I'm just looking for what this does. Oh, this pop push alert right here. When JS, let's save this one, but we'll try to find something a little bit easier. Hacktricks is always a good one to have open. Yeah, this is another long one. So it looks like everything's going to be super long. But it does explain what it does, which is good. Was this? No, I didn't open that. Let's open that. And we'll search for handlebars. Java. Go heavy, and there's handlebars. Handlebars, path traversal. This is error. Pop push. Oh, here we go. All right, let's try this. Looks like all of them are going to be really long. So we need to format this a little bit, remove all the carriage returns, and who am I will work fine. So let's go here, Pete, Kate, paste this. I'm gonna delete. There's probably an easy way. Edit, replace /R with nothing. Is it /R/N/ let's just replace all? No. Let's try N. Dang it. I've never tried this. We can do it in, well, whatever. Let's just do it in Kate. Manually. So end. Boom, boom, boom. All right. And then once we have this, we can try it and see if we get an indicator of what context, the user context the application's running as. Boom. That looks good. Okay. Copy. Let's go back here and put that here. No, did not work. Parsing error. Parse error on line 1 -- expecting ID got end of file. Well, that's lame. Okay, let's, did I do something wrong here? All right, I want, handlebars, SSTI, RC. There's that one we looked at. This one just pops an alert though, right? That's its payload. Push right here. Push alert when in strict mode. And it surrounds it in script. I don't think that's exactly what we're looking for. Let's try this one. Payload all the things. Let's look at this one. Groovy, Python. We want JavaScript. Less JS. No, we want handlebars. Command execution. So this is exactly the same, right? Looks like it's a little different. Exec sync. Let's try this. So again, we need to, is there a way? What's the best way to, I guess I could look up Kate replace new line. We could just do that. Okay. Let's control. So this is a boring video, but edit place. Oh, this is why. Escape sequences. Find known. There. Find them all. 18 matches. That looks right. Replace all. And then I need to boom, boom. Well, whatever. The spaces won't matter. Let's go 1F there. Paste this here. Did I execute it and just come back with the same error? Yep, same error. Do we know the version of handlebars? I don't see that here. Well, this is super lame. Okay, so I'm going to pause the video. I'm going to keep trying to figure out what payload will work for Kate or what I'm doing wrong to make it work, and then I'll start the video back up. Okay, so I understand what's going on now. It's this pound sign that is, so I looked at burp in repeater, and you can see how we get these, all of these with just the boom, even though I'm trying to send the whole thing. And this was a dumb mistake I should have seen right off, but the pound sign means that all that's getting sent server side is just that. So I need to URL encode it. So what I can do is send that to repeater, go back to here, copy this, go back to here, paste this, and then highlight it all and do Control U. There. Now I can copy URL, copy URL. And if I want to do it in the browser, I can come back here. And what does this execute before I ls-la? Boom. We can see, there we go. We've got ls-la shown right here. All right, sorry about that. Sweet, so let's write up this into Python and solve this one. So this was called unknown language with a documented exploit. Vim unknown language with a documented exploit .py. Let's do, what was one that we did before? Not that one. Message. Let's do send this one. Or start with this one as the base. Because it has basically everything we need except for we need to change out what goes here. So DT there, payload equals, let's triple quote it. Oh, and let's do command equals. Do I really want to make it? Yeah, I'm going to make it easier. Even though it's a pain in the butt. I want to separate out the command I run. But that means, oh, they're all double anyway. Never mind. So does that mean they need to be triple? I'll bet they need to be triple. Dash. Let's just do ls instead of ls-la. We'll put f here. And we'll go fl. Whoops. Dot. No. Is it? There we go. Here we'll do boom command. We'll try this. I'm not going to check if it's solved. I think that I'm going to have to do Python. I'm going to have to triple these up. But I don't know for sure. Unknown language and then -d. And let's send this. And let's check if we've got div. No, it came through as single. Okay, so we do need to. So I'm going to do boom %s / boom boom with boom 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 /g there, and %s / boom boom with boom 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 /g boom. F strings cannot include a £sign. Oh, that is lame. Okay. But we should be able to still do at dot format. How do you do? Is it command equals command? Okay. Let's try that. And I would like to remove all these spaces. Just to tidy it up a bit. Let's go to the start here, and we'll just do DT boom. And then repeat that here. And then I'll put in a thinger. Or we can, you know what we can do? We can split this up into multiple lines. That will take care of the long line error. And it will probably, yeah, let's try it. So how do we do that? I don't need, so I'm going to go here. I don't need triple quotes. I'm going to do parenthesis, single quote, because it looks like there's some double quotes in there. I'm going to find a spot to split it, which will be right here. I'm going to add a single quote and enter a single quote and keep doing that. All the way along. Looks like right here. Oh, look. I need to backslash these. All right. And we'll of course, none of this is necessary and is just because I don't want the error. But it also allows me to do F strings again. The reason why is because all the pounds, none of the pounds are on this line, which is where I actually want the F. So I should be able to just do that. Oh, cannot include a backslash. Oh, well, that's okay. No. F strings. So many errors. So F string expression part cannot include a backslash. Well, lame. And we need the backslashes because this line has both. What if we do this and go to the end? I don't know if this will actually work. And then we can, because we're using triple quotes, we can remove this. No idea. Nope, that won't work. Well, crap, my cool idea to use F strings failed. Dot format command equals command. Now what's the error? No, I didn't forget a comma. I want them to be I bet you it's this format. Okay, so we don't need to do it here. We can do it here. Payload equals payload dot format command equals command. All right, now let's try it. But I do like how it's not all one big jumbled line. It's a little bit more readable. Not that much, but crap. Now what? Key error. Let's print out log.debug. Something's not working the way I expected. Well, all of that looks good. So why key error? Some pound. So format F strings doesn't work. Should we? What now? I really do want command to be outside. There's some easy way that I'm just not thinking of. I could break it up. This is so dumb. But what if I did like this? Like this. So dumb. That is really dumb. It's a dumb, dumb way to do this. Key error. Oh, it's because I no longer need this now. And we definitely caused an error. What did our thing look like? I apologize to everyone watching this video. Should be a quick, easy, but decode as URL. So that looks fine to start with, except for it has 3. Oh yeah, we don't need 3 anymore. %s with global, and then %s slash 3 1 2 3 with 2. Okay. Still got an error. All right, let's look at what that looked like. Did it needed 2? Yeah, it needed 2, right? Yeah, it definitely needed 2. So we want to go here. A, B. Okay, so we've got 2. That looks fine. Exec. What is this? Okay. That's how you turn an easy vulnerability into a giant mess. So yeah, there we go. Morale.txt. E2 2. Interesting. But we got, so we're already in the directory. just to check, we can do home. And it should show Carlos. We got a few. Carlos, Elmer, install, Peter, and user. Okay. If you are the curious type, you could look through these other. I'm the curious type. Elmer. Let's look through Elmer just to see. Let's also extract. It's right here. So nothing. Section. So it's this div, but there's nothing really. Nah, I'm not going to spend time extracting it. So there's nothing there in Elmer. All right. Enough playing around. Carlos. Make sure morale is there, and then we'll rm Carlos morale.txt, and then we'll check if it's solved. There's morale. Okay, let's solve this. And that's it. So the biggest challenge was one, figuring out the templating language, and we did that by causing an error, not on purpose, but it happened. In the error response, we saw that it was handlebars. We then looked at some sites online to figure out an exploit. Those exploits probably would have worked had I paid more attention and URL encoded them to begin with. But we got one that worked, and then we butchered this to insert the command so that we could have it separate and then send it. Once we did that, we got the solve. And let's go here and here and get our banner. Sweet. If you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, I will see you in the next one. Thank you so much. Goodbye.